Welcome to StartCooking.com. I'm Kathy Maister. Most stew recipes can get really complicated, except for this one. You cut everything up, throw it in the pot, cover it up, and put it in the oven. 4 hours later, you have a perfect beef stew, and the whole house smells fabulous. The ingredients and equipment list is at the end of this video. Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees. Cut 3 pounds of stew beef into 1 1/2 inch cubes. Then put it into a Dutch oven. That's a big, heavy pot with a lid that looks like this. 6 different vegetables need to be cut and added to the pot. First, peel and dice 1 large onion. The second vegetable is a red pepper, which needs to get cut into strips. First, cut it in half and clean out the stem and seeds with a paring knife. Now cut the pepper into about 1/2 inch strips. These are turnips, our third vegetable. They're a root vegetable. They need to get peeled with a vegetable peeler and then cut up into chunks. Using a colander, quickly rinse the fourth vegetable, the mushrooms, and dry them with a kitchen towel. Then pop off the stems. The small mushrooms don't need to be cut, but some of these larger ones cut in half, so they're all the same size. The fifth vegetable is actually a fruit, 4 tomatoes, which need to get cut into wedges. The last vegetable, the carrots, are a breeze. Buy a bag of washed and peeled baby carrots. These are the perfect shape for our stew. Add about 1/2 pound of them to the pot. Now for the breadcrumbs. Measure 1/2 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs and sprinkle it over the ingredients in the pot. 2 tablespoons of instant tapioca are going to help the stew have a nice thick gravy. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper over all the ingredients as well. Finally, the last ingredient. Pour 2 cups of a nice hearty red wine over the whole stew. The remainder of the bottle you can serve with dinner. Cover the whole pot with its lid and put it in the oven. Set the timer for 4 hours. Don't peek. When the timer goes off, take it out of the oven and add 1/2 pound of frozen pearl onions. The hot stew will heat them up in no time. Oh, wow, this smells wonderful. Serve this stew with a nice loaf of crusty bread. What a feast! Enjoy. For the ingredients you'll need: stew beef, an onion, tomatoes, baby carrots, a red pepper, mushrooms, turnip, instant tapioca, dry breadcrumbs, red wine, salt and pepper, frozen small pearl onions. For the equipment you'll need: a colander, a large knife, a paring knife, a vegetable peeler, a cutting board, and a Dutch oven, which is a large, heavy pot with a lid.